So, considering we should not give a gift to our fellow without asking him first whether he needs it or not, if he openly states about some need that he has, will we be allowed to give him a gift that would supply for this need? For example, he says, okay, my car is broken, whatever, the engine is not working anymore, so he did not say to us directly that he needs a car, but should we imply that he needs a car and go and buy a car for him if we want, or should we still have to?
I mean, that's, I think you give some extreme example. Maybe he said, my pots are very old and I cannot afford it to buy a new set or something. I mean, it's more reasonable to spend maybe a few $100 or $100, whatever, even, I don't know, to buy a new set of pots. It's like more reasonable. Maybe maybe you ask him like about pots. What do you think? Better stainless steel or some like Teflon or some other cover? And say no, I don't believe in this cover. The stainless steel is the best. Okay, so stainless steel. It's a way to go. That's also you buy him the set. But car is, I mean, it's. I mean, if a person is very like wealthy and, but otherwise it's not realistic. You're welcome.
Now I just mentioned the car for the sake of the example. It could have been anything else.
But something smaller, I think. Yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.